Welcome to the Fresh from Florida Test Kitchen. I'm Chef Justin, and today we have a simple but delicious recipe for you. We are making Florida citrus and herb roasted chicken. Now, this is one of my favorite recipes as we approach the holiday time. So let's go ahead and get started. I've got my mini little food processor here. And we're just gonna open this up and we're gonna start adding some of our ingredients. On my board here, I've got a bunch of fresh garlic that's been peeled and is ready to go. I also have a lot of fresh herbs here. So for the fresh herbs that I have today, I've got rosemary, thyme, and fresh oregano, and these are gonna add excellent flavor to our chicken. And I've got some really good all-purpose Florida seasoning. This happens to be some Everglades seasoning. It is delicious. On top of that, we also have a little bit of Florida orange. We're gonna add some zest, and then some olive oil is gonna go in as well. So let's get started on making our marinated sauce. Now we're just gonna put our lid on our machine and give it a nice little blend. And this is looking really good. Not only does it look good, but it smells delicious as well. All right, at this point, we are ready to go ahead and get our chickens seasoned so we can get them into the oven. I have my oven preheated to about 400 degrees. It's nice and hot and ready to go. So let's take our chickens. I'm gonna put a couple gloves on, and then we're gonna go ahead and add the batch of our marinade and seasoning sauce onto the top of our chicken. So they are looking really good. They're seasoned well. The oven's hot. So let's get them in the oven so they can roast. Okay, our chickens have been cooking for almost an hour, so they're ready to come out of the oven and rest for just a little while before we platter them up. And there we have it, our Florida citrus and herb roasted chicken. It looks delicious and it smells incredible. I hope you guys try this recipe. In the meantime, I'm Chef Justin, and remember, keep cooking.